There's an Oklahoma boating event happening a mile down the street. We just finished our Oklahoma Boating Expo and we were wanting to continue that momentum. Events like this cost thousands of dollars and we're gonna pass all those savings on to you, the consumer. A mile down the street, we're at 21st and Sheridan, free parking, we're gonna be open later hours. We've got more than 40 boats on hand on our showroom. We've got more than 200 boats in total inventory. We've got brands like Vexus, Camus, Robalo, Chaparral, Bennington Tri-Tunes, and Mastercraft. We've got some great inventory. We've got some great factory rebates in excess of more than $100,000. We've got some great low rate financing on some of our closeout 2024 models. You are not going to want to miss this opportunity. This is going to be the best opportunity to find a boat if you're looking for something in 2025. Stop in at 21st and Sheridan. We might be able to save you some time. We will definitely save you some money. This is our 247 SSX from Chaparral. This boat comes with a tandem axle trailer. This boat is 24 foot 6 inches in length, 4,500 pounds. This boat has a white power tower with bimini top. As we get to the rear of the boat, we have a massive swim platform. And we also have an infinity power swim step. It is 2 large steps into the water, a very popular option for Chaparral. Our Nichols Marine sales price on this boat is $150,509. In addition to that, we have a $9,000 rebate. This boat has rich cayenne interior, huge swimming platform area, topped with sea deck throughout. We have tower speakers in the tower, dual Simrad screens, great helm, massive captain's seat, light up switching, Bluetooth stereo, very deep bow seating with 60-inch stainless grab handles. This boat is paired with a Mercury 300 horsepower V8 engine.